She was gasping for breath. Day after day, week after week. The treatments weren't working. Nothing made sense. The veterinary team at Best Friends was desperate to save her, but the sweet cat named Goober kept struggling. Then one doctor made a shocking discovery deep in her throat. Something massive was hiding there all along. But here's where the story takes an incredible twist. When Goober was rushed to an external clinic for emergency testing, something completely unexpected happened. The entire veterinary team fell in love with her. What they decided to do next will restore your faith in humanity. Watch the full story now.